Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find recommended products for any item or product that you are looking at on Temu. So if you're scrolling through Temu and you find a product, let me go ahead and take this as an example. And if you want to find recommended products, you want to go ahead and scroll down, guys, and you will actually find, for example, the section that shows you, for example, recommended. So all you have to do, guys, in order to find a recommended product on Temu, you start to scroll down on the page and it's going to appear at the top, shows you overview, review, and there's recommended. The recommended section is showing you those recommended products that people are actually, that the system is actually recommending for you, that complements these products. And some of them might be really accurate, some of them could be bestsellers, some of them could be from the same seller, or some of them could even be what people are actually buying along with these things. So it's always cool to actually check out recommended products for any product that you see, because you can also even find similar product to the one that you want to purchase, and that could give you extra help with your decision as to what to buy. Sometimes you find better products, sometimes you find something that complement the products that you can use with it, but there's various ways how you can actually find the benefit from seeing recommended products. But that's it, guys. That's how you check recommended products for any product that you are looking at on Temu.